If Lucidchart is throwing an unknown error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing your diagrams without wasting time. This is a simple troubleshooting guide you can follow even if you're not technical, and the best part is that most of these fixes take only a minute or two. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, the quickest test is to open Lucidchart in an incognito or private window. On Chrome or Edge, open a new incognito window. On Firefox or Safari, use a private window. Then sign into your Lucidchart account and open the diagram that was giving you the error. If Lucidchart works normally in private mode, that usually means the problem is coming from your browser cache, cookies, extensions, or even a VPN or network conflict. That's a very useful clue because it tells us the app itself is probably fine and the issue is happening in your browser environment. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes for unknown errors because corrupted temporary files can break how Lucidchart loads. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and then find Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Set the time range to all time so you clear everything that may be causing the problem. Then click Clear Data, close your browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Lucidchart. After that, test the same document again. If the error is still happening, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, privacy tools, antivirus extensions, and script blockers can interfere with Lucidchart's features. Go to your extensions manager and temporarily disable them one by one. After disabling each extension, refresh the Lucidchart tab and see if the error goes away. This step is important because sometimes only one extension is causing the issue, and it may not be obvious which one until you test them individually. If you find the culprit, keep it disabled for Lucidchart, or add Lucidchart to the extensions allow list. Now let's check your VPN and network connection. Lucidchart needs a stable connection, and certain VPNs, school networks, office firewalls, or restricted internet setups can trigger unknown errors. First, disconnect from your VPN and try Lucidchart again. If that does not help, switch to a different network, like a mobile hotspot, to see whether your current network is blocking something required by Lucidchart. Also, go into your browser settings and search for third-party cookies. Make sure third-party cookies are allowed because integrations and sign-in features may depend on them. If those cookies are blocked, Lucidchart can sometimes fail to load properly or show vague error messages. If you are still stuck, switch browsers or update your current one. Lucidchart is generally optimized best for Google Chrome, so if you're using Safari or Firefox, try opening the same diagram in Chrome. Before you do that, make sure your browser is fully updated to the latest version. An outdated browser can cause compatibility issues, especially with modern web apps like Lucidchart. If Chrome works but another browser does not, you've likely found a compatibility issue rather than a document problem. At this point, if the issue is still showing up, go back and repeat the steps carefully in order. In many cases, the fix is something simple like clearing cookies, disabling one extension, or turning off a VPN. The goal is to isolate the cause one step at a time so you can get Lucidchart working again without guessing. So to recap, start with incognito or private mode, then clear cache and cookies, disable conflicting extensions, check your VPN and network, allow third-party cookies, and finally switch to Chrome or update your browser. Those are the most reliable ways to fix an unknown Lucidchart error. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick software fixes, step-by-step guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.